What's up, y'all? It's your girl 괶2x in the building, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is going to be do my wig with me for the fashion show. So I'm prepping for the fashion show. Now it's time for me to do my wig. I already did my nails. And yeah, let's get into it. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and let's go. So y'all, now I'm about to get into this wig. So first I'm gonna take this one off, and then I'm gonna apply all black wig, because the blue, I'm not really wearing blue outfit except for one, so there's no point of me doing like blue hair. I'm just gonna do straight black, jet black hair only. But yeah, let's get into it. So I've been having this lace band on my wig because it looks a hot mess. Like, look how bad this thing looks. So I'm gonna take off my glasses because that's how you know it's about to go down. I really don't even put wigs on anymore. It's just because it's so much work. Jesus. Got this crusty wig off. Yeah, let's put that to the side. So now I'm gonna get rid of this glue. My braids still look fresh. Gonna tuck that part in. I like that it still looks fresh though, like, yes. But yeah, I'm not gonna keep these braids in for too long, because I'm just gonna put some knotless braids in my head and call it a day. Can never go wrong. So I'm just taking off the glue. It's like attached and stuff. I use rubbing alcohol to take out the glue and stuff. I'm gonna come back when the glue is off. So now that I got it all off my edges and stuff and off my forehead, now I'm gonna use my handy dandy neat braid. Don't ask me why I got a big neat braid thing. Big neat braid jar. It's because when you do hair, it's a good investment. Because I've been going to the beauty supply store all week when I used to do hair. Well, I still do hair, but like when clients used to book back to back, I had to buy gel. But yeah, that's why I decided to invest in the big one. And one thing I don't like about, well, my head shape is because my edges is like down here. It's like not all in one, so sometimes the glue will get on my edges. But yeah, I put it back with the neat braid. I got it real slick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me doing my hair. I just wrapped it up so I can go to sleep. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what type of videos you guys want, and on to the next video.